Hello! Angular's incremental hydration just got even more powerful. But did you know that nested hydration triggers can behave differently than you might expect? Let's dive in. To understand this better, let's break down our example setup. We have a value signal that increases when we click a button, and here's a top-level defer block which will be hydrated when the condition will be fulfilled, wrapping a component that displays a list of trainers. Inside this, there's another defer block set to hydrate on hover, which contains a test component. Essentially, the trainers component will only hydrate once signal's value exceeds 2, while the test component will hydrate when hovered over. Sounds simple, right? Well, let's see it in action. Now let's run the app and open Angular DevTools to track hydration. Right now, neither trainers component nor test component appear in the component tree because their hydration is deferred. First, let's click the button 3 times. Now, value equals 3, meeting the condition for the top-level defer block. And just like that, the trainers component appears in the DevTools tree. Next, we hover over the test component. As expected, it hydrates and also appears in the tree, everything working exactly as we planned. But here's where things get interesting. Let's refresh the page and try something different. This time, before clicking the button, I hover over the test component. And look at that! Both test component and the trainers component are now hydrated, even though the top-level defer condition wasn't met. What happened? When we are using defer hydrate, if a nested condition is met first, all parent defer blocks are also considered satisfied, leading to immediate hydration of all ancestors. This differs from the standard defer, where the parent condition must be met before any nested elements can be loaded, and until then only the parent's placeholder is visible. Keep this in mind when designing hydration logic. If you want more deep dives into Angular, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for next episode. See you soon!